How's it going, guys? It's Contenders release day. I do not have the hobby box. As you can see, this is a retail box. One auto and two mem cards in this product. The hobby box is just too rich for my blood right now, guys. It's like 170 or something like that, whereas this was like, I think 50 at Target or Walmart. I forget where I got it, but you only get one auto, as I said, compared to like 5 in the hobby. But I've watched like 7 or 8 boxes of that hobby open so far and haven't really seen anything too great out of it. As you can see, 8 cards per pack, 14 cards in here, so yeah, but as I was saying, I think the best card I saw out of those like 8 or 9 boxes that I watched earlier was like a Paul Perkins auto to like 25, so there weren't that many great cards or autos pulled in that I saw anyway, but so hopefully we'll have some luck here with this retail box. But Jeremy Maclin, Jeremy Langford, Mike Evans, Jordan Matthews, Mark Ingram, Odell Beckham, Brandon Marshall, touchdown tandems, Luck and Hilton, and 2 dummy cards. This one feels kind of thick, but I don't know, I can't tell. I don't think that's a patch, but well. Bowman, Mike Wallace, Jordy Nelson, Macklin, Langford, Evans, Matthews, so same setup as last almost, and then a Hackenberg Rookie of the Year insert. So C.J. Anderson, Thomas Rawls, Andy Dalton, Adrian Peterson, Kevin White, Le'Veon Bell, Devin Funchess, and Cody Kessler. Julian Edelman, Todd Gurley, Phillip, Von Miller, Richard Sherman, AJ Green, Matt Ryan, and Legendary Contenders Eddie George. So I think that the base set is really small. I don't know if it's always been this small, but I think I read that it's only like 100 players this year. So T.Y. Hilton, Tyrod Taylor, Travis Benjamin, Aaron Rodgers, Jason Witten, Gronk, Terrell Pryor, and Julio Jones. DeAndre Hopkins, Brandon Cooks, Rashad Jennings, Trevor Siemian, Marcus Mariota, Jarvis Landry, David Johnson, Will Fuller, and Laquan Treadwell. Russell Wilson, Steve Smith, Sam Bradford, Frank Gore, Derek Carr, Alshon Jeffrey, Big Ben, and we got our auto, Byron Marshall. So definitely not a very good one to get. Just the base rookie ticket auto. So we're looking for 2 relics here. I think this is probably going to be one. I'm not going to make you guys wait. I'm not a fan when people do that. Try to get you to watch the whole video. If you don't want to watch the whole video, don't worry about it. Matthew Stafford, Antonio Brown, Kelvin Benjamin, Sean McCoy, Matt Jones, wow, Bart Starr, J.J. Watts, and the guy I hit an auto of yesterday in my Optic box, Keenan Reynolds. So, not off to a very good start here with this box so far, but what can you do? This might be the other. Yep, it is. So, like I said, guys, I'm not going to make you wait. So, we'll get to these. Kirk Cousins, Alex Smith, Jay Cutler, RG3, Jonathan Stewart, Tony Romo, Tavon Austin, and Seahawk, Alex Collins. So, not a very good box, but what can you do? As I said, it's not always going to go your way, but it sure would be nice to hit one of these two guys in an insert at least. So hopefully we can find one of those. Dez, Fitzpatrick, Gabbert, Cam, Jameis, Zach Ertz, C.J. Anderson, Thomas Rawls, just a bunch of base. Murray, Parker, Fitz, Cooper, Dalton, Peterson, Hilton, and Taylor. Again, all base. Walker, Brady, Quinn, Mack, Baldwin, Jeremy Hill, Diggs, and Bortles. Getting really base heavy here at the end. That's not very good. Give me a few inserts here. Freeman, Robinson, Tannehill, Palmer, Melvin Gordon, Golden Tate, Lamar Miller. Got a Jerome Bettis insert, so there's at least an insert. Last pack, guys. Marvin Jones, Brock Osweiler, Drew Brees, Eli, TJ Yeldon, Sammy Watkins, Jordan Reed, Jamal Charles. Wow, so those last few packs were really bad. But it is what it is. These were my hits over here, guys. Got an Alex Collins rookie ticket jersey swatch. Keenan Reynolds. This might be, I don't know if this is considered not a parallel, but a variation because it's a horizontal card. I know I read somewhere that the horizontal cards are variations, but I don't know that for a fact. And then our auto was of Byron Marshall. So, not the best box in the world, but at least it wasn't a hobby box. And all the hobby boxes that I've seen, like I said, have been pretty bad so far. So, I don't know that I'll be getting any hobby this year of that. The autos that I have seen do look cool, but I just don't know that it's worth it, man. But anyway, so that's it, guys. Hope everybody has a good weekend. I'll be back with another video on Monday, probably with the mail day. So until then, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.